Hello dear friends, let's see how cars riding on a ramp. Wow! This is Rocket Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
What? Ready, buddy? Ready? Get it in!
Dinoco Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Yeah, it's Cruising Lightning McQueen!
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're...
Wow! Dinoco Chick Hicks! Cool! Wow!
Yeah!
Mama Bernoulli! Yeah!
My mama is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama!
Hey DJ! Hahaha! Yeah!
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Oh, Francesco Bernoulli! Yeah!
Fragile! It goes a Francesco! Fragile! Not so fast, McQueen!
Nuts.
Hello dear friends, let's see how cars riding on a ramp. Wow! Yeah! Whoa, it's Dinoco Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Whoa, it's Fabulous Lightning McQueen! Wow! Oh yeah, Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Is he ready to start training?
Well, Stinky? Stickers?
Yes, Mater.
Oh wow, this is Rocket Lightning McQueen! Woohoo!
Get it in!
This is Dragon Lightning McQueen! Yeah, cool! Wow, it's Jackson Storm! Wow!
Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right?
It's Cheeks. Cheeks.
Yeah!
Hey, it's Sally Career. Radiator support.
He can do it. He's got the horsepower. So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road!
Because we...
This is Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Cool, yeah.
Lightning McQueen!
Hey, Big Tex, how's my favorite competitor?
Just say the word and I'll boot Cal off the...
Flow, radiator support. Cool.
Look at that.
Ramon.
Is that what I think it is?
Golden Lightning McQueen. Wow. Hello friends, let's find Lady McQueen, let's go! Oh, it's the new Ambient upstairs full. Oh my god, it's Miss Fritter! Wow! Oh wow, this is Rocket Lady McQueen! Ooh! Oh yeah, Lady McQueen! Yeah! Hell yeah, it's red radiator support, cool. Oh yeah, tomato, cool. Whoa, it's Chester, Whipple filter, yeah. This is Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Cool, yeah. Oh yeah, Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Let's find Lightning McQueen and Pixar toys. Yeah, let's go. This is Rocket Lightning McQueen. Woohoo! This is Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Cool, yeah.
Look, if I don't win, I'll sell all the mud flaps you got. But if I do win, I decide when I'm...
Hell yeah, it's red radiator support. Cool.
Hey, big fella. Yeah, you in the red. I could use a little hose down. Help me wash this off.
Oh yeah, tomato. Cool.
Maybe I should have hooked him up to Bessie and then took the boot off.
Oh my god, it's Miss Fritter. Wow. Whoa, it's Chester! Whipple filter! Yeah!
Not clean.
Snot Rod Bird or Bragatron! Cool! Yeah!
I need you to call my team so they can come rescue me and get me to California in time for me to win the Piston Cup. Do you understand? No.
It's a Fillmore! Yeah!
That fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Oh yeah! Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Lightning McQueen.
You know, I don't think anybody expected this. The rookie sensation came into the season unknown.
Hello friends, let's find Lightning McQueen and Pixar toys, let's go! Space Travel McQueen! Yeah! Yeah!
Don't worry, I got you. Yes, sir. We was a couple of months.
Yes, this is Sergeant Higer!
Mater, let's go. You're on.
Oh yeah, it's Lightning McQueen! Haha, yeah!
Is you ready to start training?
Well, Stinky? Stickers?
Yes, Mater.
Off-road Lightning McQueen! Wow! Hey Sheriff, cool! Haha! Wow, radiator support!
I'm gonna be out of gas.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
Dragon Lightning McQueen! Haha! Yeah!
Dragon style.
Spinning dragon attack!
Gashi Wingo Street Racer! Cool! Yeah! Oh, it's Boost! Street Racer Boost! Wow! Chick Hicks! Cool! Wow!
Welcome back to Chick Picks with Chick Hicks. I'm your host, former and forever Piston Cup champion, Chick Hicks.
Dr. Velvet! Wow!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers. Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Just wait till he gets...
Hello friends, in this video let's see how cars falling in a pool. Wow, yeah! Wow! Let's find Lightning McQueen and Pixar toys, let's go! Raoul Sarul World Grand Prix, wow wow wow! Haha, Natalie Sturden! Cool! Yeah!
We've seen veteran racers either retire, like Cal Weathers tonight, or fired to make room for these young...
It's Original Mater! Yeah!
A little bit of training.
Dinoco Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Oh my god, it's Jackson Storm! Cool.
Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement.
This is Rocket Lightning McQueen! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Space Travel McQueen! Yeah! Yeah!
Don't worry, I got you. Yes, sir. We was a couple of ponies.
Fabulous Hudson Hornet! Doc Hudson! Cool! Yeah!
Took Hudall in no time to work his way through the best racers in both Carolinas. Fast River.
Oh yeah, it's Lightning McQueen! Haha, yeah!
Psst. Hey, I know how to get to the interstate.
Oh, do ya?
Minnie, no. Yeah. No.
Oh my god, it's Dinoco King! Wow!
Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one?
Yeah! Mack Truck! Wow! Cool! Wow, let's go!
Fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Hey friends, let's see how cars running on a ramp. Wow, let's go! Yeah, Mack truck! Wow, cool! Whoa, it's Tomater! Cool!
Oh, Lord.
It's Miss Fritter! Cool! Haha! This is Rocket Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Hahaha, it's red radiator support. Yeah. Wow, wow, Chester Whipple filter. Haha.
You, sir, are officially incognito. Nobody's bothering you.
Yes, that's me, Chester Whipplefilter.
Dr. Velvet! Wow!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers. Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Just wait till he gets...
Oh, no!
Oh yeah, it's Lightning McQueen! Haha, yeah! It's a Fillmore! Yeah!
Fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Wow! Golden Lightning McQueen! Woo! Oh my god, it's Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
Yes, I do!
Rusty's Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Wow!
Hit it! First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry.